In this tutorial, we're going to cover practical application of the abs function. Now, what the abs function does is it returns the absolute value of a number, removing any negative sign. So here we've predefined n1 as -10 and n2 as 5.5. We also have a list called nums, which contains 2 negative numbers and 4 positive numbers. So we can come down here and type abs n1 and abs n2. We can see here this strips the negative sign from the 10 and still returns us our 5.5 as this is already positive. Now, some practical application of this could be done here with abs n for n in nums. This will just return us the absolute value of each number within this list, which could be useful if you're trying to do statistical analysis or something along those lines. Now we can also come down and we could do n for n in nums if abs n is greater than 5. And we're going to come back and delete that. And we can run this. Now what this is doing is it's returning us any value here where the absolute value is greater than 5. We could swap this around and do less than 5 if we would like, and now it would return us those variables. Now that's some practical application of the abs function in Python, and I hope that helps.